Today I want to show you how my husband fits in his Next Level Racing Elite ES1 racing simulator seat. My husband is about 5'10", about 175 pounds, and I wanted to give you the idea of what you could expect if you were trying to get in. The straps are adjustable, so you can change them to any length that you need. And as you saw before, the placement of the chair can slide forward and backwards to fit your height. My husband has loved this addition to his racing sim setup. He said it's made it feel so much more realistic. So you can see here those straps are fully adjustable. And I wanted to give you a view from the front about how wide his shoulders are in relation to this chair. He will race for hours and he never complains about it being uncomfortable. He really does like this chair a lot. And from the back, you can also see the width of his shoulders and his arms. He still has room to reach for the gear shift and everything else he might need. This chair, along with the other aspects of his racing sim setup, are linked in the description below. And if you're even curious about it, it would actually bless my family if you would click on those links, whether you're going to buy today or not. So I really hope you appreciate this review, and we would definitely recommend this to you.